Mistakes to avoid during paralysis recovery. Paralysis not only stops your body movements, but it also somehow affects your quality of life. Struggling with the loss of mobility hinders all your life routines and pulls you behind your capabilities. How our treatment helps us to regain mobility fully depends on how we acknowledge and follow that treatment. What things should we avoid, or what do we need to follow to maintain a balance between your recovery and loss of mobility? Sometimes our body responds to treatment very well, but due to our negligence, recovery delays and takes time, and often the symptoms relapse. Avoiding common mistakes and adhering to medical guidance is crucial to regaining the strength and mobility. In today's video, we will discuss the common mistakes that delay your recovery from paralysis. Also, I will suggest you what else you need to follow to speed up your paralysis recovery without any relapse. Hello and good afternoon. I am Dr. Jigyasa. I welcome you to Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical expertise and experience in treating neurological disorders. As I told you earlier, we will know what mistakes hinder the recovery from paralysis. So stay tuned and watch this complete video. Paralysis is a neurodegenerative disorder, meaning it occurs due to an injury or harm to your central nervous system, your brain and spinal cord. It is a loss of ability to move or control your muscles. The loss of mobility on which part of the body occurs depends on what brain area is damaged. Well, now I begin the main motive of this video. The first mistake you generally make is to stop taking your physiotherapy sessions when you feel relief in your condition. Physical therapy is important for rebuilding strength, improving mobility, and preventing complications like muscle atrophy. When you get relief in your condition, you start assuming that you do not need any physical therapy right now, and there you create a big mistake. Physical therapies offer a long-lasting recovery in paralysis, but you should maintain the routine unless you fully recover from your condition. Whenever a patient with paralysis hears that physical activities improve mobility and help them to recover faster, they start doing heavy exercises, assuming their motor functions to improve greatly in time. And there they again make a big mistake. See, exercise is important to keep your body and brain engaged in physical activities. But when it comes to extremes, then you must avoid them, as they can cause more tearing of muscles and eventually it can lead to worse scenario of paralysis. Recovery is about steady progress, not speed. Listen to your body and follow the advice of your healthcare professionals. Now I come to the third mistake that paralysis patient often overlooks is diet. I know people with paralysis assume that paralysis is all about the loss of mobility or something that hinders their limb movement. So diet has no significant role in recovery. But it is not true. You should consume a balanced meal or brain-friendly diet to speed up the recovery, as paralysis is all about the damage to your nervous system. So maintaining proper brain-healthy food can greatly improve your mobility. You can consider including vitamin D and calcium-rich foods like dairy products, eggs, and citrus fruits that improve neural connectivity. Recovery from paralysis is rarely a straight line. There will be ups and downs. And it is very normal to lose the patience, and sometimes you feel depressed about not getting an expected result in your condition. But remember, it takes time to show a significant improvement in your condition, as your brain takes time to adjust itself to your certain habits and routines. This is simply a neuroplasticity, when your brain adapts and changes itself based on the experiences. It can involve structural changes like the growth of new neurons, or functional changes like the reorganization of neural networks. Your single action imparts a great impression on your brain, and new nerve cells begin to form which regulate that particular function. So, engaging yourself in paralysis-friendly exercise and maintaining an active lifestyle will stimulate neuroplasticity, and new neurons will start forming that will help you with the finest movement of your limbs during paralysis. It is gradual and takes time. To be so patient and don't lose hope. The fifth common mistake a paralysis patient often commits is not trying other alternative options that treat paralysis holistically. Yes, I agree that modern medicines can help you with paralysis in managing pain and neurological symptoms, but only up to certain limits, and they also leave you with some side effects. Why should you not try holistic and natural remedies that have similar effects and treat paralysis without any side effects? Homeopathy treats paralysis by considering the overall symptoms and the patient's constitution. One more benefit of homeopathic medicine is that it directly stimulates your nervous system being absorbed through your taste buds. It does not hamper your digestion and cause other complications. So, treating paralysis only with traditional medicine is just another mistake. You should embrace natural and holistic medicine to treat complicated neurological disorders like paralysis. Alright, recovery from paralysis is undoubtedly tough, but avoiding these common mistakes can make a huge difference. Remember, progress may be slow, but every step forward is a victory. Plus, if you want to see improvement in your paralysis without compromising your health, then I think you should begin following a healthy diet, paralysis-friendly exercise and homeopathic treatment. Bharat Homeopathy is the leading face of healthcare in treating several neurological disorders, and we have won the trust of our patients worldwide in bringing relief from their condition. If you want to know anything related to paralysis and its treatment, you can call us and talk to us today. We will be happy to help you in your paralysis treatment journey. Thank you so much. Take care, stay positive, stay strong.